Sometimes we want to test a lot of different images, ad copies, texts, everything. And there is a beautiful option that allows us to do that automatically and kind of delegate this process of comparing ads between them and choosing the best performing one to Meta Ads algorithm. Yeah, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a campaign with these so-called flexible ads, or as it was previously called, the dynamic ads. And to make one, we need to create a campaign. We're going to go with traffic, and it's also important to know that not every type of campaign allows us to use this flexible ads format. So we're going to go with traffic. Then I'll select manual traffic campaign. After that, here in new traffic ad set, or basically on the level of ad sets, we need to select website, because on the other options it's not possible to create those flexible ads. There is option to create one on the app conversion action, but unfortunately I don't have an app connected to this account, so we're gonna go with the website. But if you have an app that is connected to the ad account, it's gonna be available for you, and you can choose this one as well. So after selecting website, I'm not gonna do any setups here. I'm just gonna go to ad level, and here, as you can see, in the format section, we have this flexible button. So we click on it, and then we need to select up to 10 different media or images. I have already uploaded a few here, so let me just select all of them. Then what we need to do is make a few options in terms of primary text. So yeah, I'm just gonna write some nonsense here. And yeah, once it's done, you just add the website URL with UTM text or whatever you want your user to be sent to. And yeah, you just click publish. And if you don't have any errors, it's going to allow you to publish these ads. And let me also show you how it looks like. So once you have a campaign, so here we're going to have only one kind of ad copy, and all the different images and texts are going to be grouped all together, and we're just going to be seeing the kind of like joint result of all of them. So we cannot really see the performance of each specific image or text. We're just gonna see it as a whole. But actually, in terms of performance, in my experience, it allowed us to gain way more followers or clicks for way less money. So it's a really effective type of campaign and ad, which I'm highly recommending you to use. Thank you for watching. We have a lot of different videos on Meta Ads and Google Ads on our channel. Drop a like and comment below if you have any other questions, and see you in the next one.